Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason, and this is my first lesson in my free stock trading course for the playlist using the EMA lines and the Vwap. So this is basically the goal that we are wanting to get you at, to have your platform set up to look like. Now, I know it will look kind of overwhelming at first, but before this is all said and done, you will understand this and you'll be trading like a professional. So I'm going to pull this down right here. And for the people that have never logged into the Thinkorswim app, what they need to do, if you haven't downloaded it yet, just go to Google, just type in Thinkorswim, app, download, whatever you need to find it, it will come up, and once you download it, this will be the sign-in box. So, you'll put your username in there. You can click this on and off. If you want to keep your username locked in, just click that. Type your password in right here, and right here, if you wanted to go to paper trading or vice versa, live trading, you just click this. So I will actually show you what that will look like here in a second. So I'm just going to click that back to normal. I'm already actually signed in to both the live trading and paper trading at the same time. So close this out, and I'm going to pull over the paper trading account. So this is what a paper trading account looks like. Up here it says simulated trading, and if this is the first time you're logging into this, it'll probably look something like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this back off, and I'm gonna pull up my live account. Now, what we want to do to start off is the first thing, go up here where it says real-time data. Click on this. If any of this says delayed or anything like that, we need to get this, up to where it says real-time. So after that, come over here to setup. Click on application settings and come down here to system. Now, chances are it will probably be sitting here, at the 3-second delay, and you definitely don't want any delay at all when you're trading stocks. So come up here, click real time, and click apply settings. So we have that few second delay fixed over here. For the ones that it says delayed or anything besides real time, what you'll have to do is just come over here to support chat, click on that, and let's see, click on live support, and then you'll basically just click on create a support ticket. So that will come up, and it'll ask you, what department, whatever. Just put general support in, type in updates, real-time data, and then just give them a brief explanation, just stating that your real-time data needs to be updated, that it's delayed, and create request. And it shouldn't take too long before one of the representatives contact you back on here. It will start making this ringtone, and you'll know it because you'll see somebody over here talking. Besides that, you could just call them up, give them your account number, and they can take it from there to update it for you. So let me close this out. All right. So we have the delays fixed at this point, or should be fixed, or soon to be fixed once support contacts those that need to get theirs adjusted. What we need to do next is click right here. What this is the box that will show you, how many cells you have open. So click right there. You can have up to as many cells you want, up to 32, I think. And if you clicked on all those, it's gonna look crazy like this. This is honestly, just way too much to keep up with, and you honestly can't, see anything. So let me get this back down here. If you wanted, just one cell, that's what it would look like. If you wanted 6 cells, that's what it would look like. And this is pretty much just based off preference, but I like to use 4 cells. I have up everything that I need, and I can work off of that. So click on 4 cells. You just have to, just hover over it and just click 4. And so, it'll probably either open up, some way like this if you already have a stock open in the charts. If you don't have a stock open, this will probably just be, completely blank. So just for this demonstration, I'm just going to put in, Apple. Okay, so I typed in a ticker symbol for Apple, and so what we need to do now is get into the rest of these boxes right here. So come right here, and you'll click on this, and yours will probably say unlink. What we need to do is, we need to, put it on one of these colors right here. I usually just, put it on red just because it's the first one, and, it just works for me. It really doesn't matter. But so click on this, and I have number 1 for red right there. Now, to get everything to flow as smoothly as possible, what we need to do is come over here, and you need to link all these cells together. So this one is red, make that one red. Come down here, make that one red, and make that one red. So that's what it will look like at this point once you have a ticker symbol, input it up here, and you click enter, and you can type in anything. Let's see, erase that, and I just put Google just so you can see how it changes. Okay, alphabet. So, and since these are all linked together, that's what will happen. You type in whatever ticker up here to search for, and it will, when you hit enter, it will update all of these. So I'm gonna come back up here, and I'm gonna load back up my cell so I can show you what else you need to change. Alright, so let's start off down here in this corner. So we're going to go ahead and minimize the chart over here on your side taskbar. So I just clicked it, turned it on. You want to turn it off, and the rest of this stuff right here, yours will actually look like this. So I want to turn this off, and I want to put on level 2, active trader, and time and cells. So it should look at this point. Now if yours looks a little smaller, or just kind of different like that, all you have to do is just just drag it over and it'll make it look similar to mine. Next, let's go up here to the time frames. So the purpose of having these different cells open is to see a bigger picture with the time frames. Every time frame tells a different story. So click right here, and this will pop up. Now your default settings may say something else, and if it does say something else, you can delete it. So click down here on customize list, and to delete something, to give you room, just highlight it, click delete, and you now have room to add whatever else you need. So we're going to add a total of 3 different times. So when you see odd numbers like this, if you need room, just highlight it, delete. So I will actually delete all of these, just to give you a demonstration. So I just deleted all of them. I'm going to click add time frame, and for the first one I'm going to click on intraday, and make sure this interval says 1 day and this period 1 minute. Click add. Comes up over here, 1 day, 1 minute. So next one, and go here, click intraday again, make sure it says 1 day. I'm going to change this to 5 minutes. And then add. And then my next time frame, click right there. And I want to see the grand scheme of things of how this stock has performed over the past year. So click daily, 1 year, and the period, make sure it says 1 day, and add. So now you have your time frames that you need to set this chart up this way. So come down here, click apply, and click OK. Next, come up here to the time frame, click that one, and since this is already set up, my times are already in, but you're gonna look right here, and you're gonna click 1 day, 1 minute for this top corner one. Come over here, the same situation, my time is already in, but you're gonna look for the 1 day, 5 minute, and you can click right there, come down here, and this will be your 1 year, 1 day time frame. So now we have the time frames in, and this box should look like this at this point. With the other things like level 2 and all that, I will go over this later on in another course. I just want to kind of keep some of these videos as short as possible, just so I don't lose track of people as we go through this together. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end on that note right here with just setting up your cell blocks to this point. And in the next video, I'm going to break it down, step by step, and we will continue from then on. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.